Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cinnamon roll bagels. First, activate your yeast by combining 1 cup of warm milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Next, mix in 3 1/4 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rise. Once your dough has risen, divide it into 8 equal pieces, aiming for about 100 grams each. Roll each piece into a long, 12-inch rope, then gently flatten it to about 3 inches wide. Now for the delicious part. Spread 2 tablespoons of your cinnamon sugar, filling evenly over each flattened dough piece. Roll them up tightly from the long side, forming a spiral, and pinch the ends to seal. After shaping, it's time to boil your bagels. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Carefully drop in your bagels, boiling them for 30 seconds on each side. This step gives them their signature chewy texture. Transfer them to a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your bagels are out of the oven and slightly cooled, it's time for the finishing touch: the glaze. Drizzle the prepared cream cheese glaze generously over each warm bagel. The warmth helps the glaze melt slightly, creating a perfect coating. These delicious cinnamon roll bagels are best served immediately, so gather your friends and family to enjoy this sweet treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.